Okay, so this video is going to be a little bit lame because I do not have the vehicle in front of me, but I just wanted to show you this plug-and-play adapter that we just built for a 2010 CX9 that has the Bose navigation system. So because it's got the Bose system, it requires this this interface module from AXXESS, this AXTO-MZ1. And so what that module does is it turns on the OEM amplifier and connects a lot of the other inputs like the reverse signal and the vehicle speed signal and some of that. And so we've got this wired in for a Sony head unit. That's the Sony connector. And then because we're using a Sonys have the function usually to recognize the steering wheel controls, and so I've got this wire wired directly into the steering wheel wires on here. We won't need to use the ASWC1 or Maestro SW or any of those connections. And then this is a backup camera connector, so we've got that also wired in. Now, in most cases, we like to provide these in a way that you don't need a module. This is a plug-and-play adapter for Pioneer head unit to a Mazda, so it's got that same Mazda red connector that goes into the connector for the car, and then this plugs directly into the Pioneer, and so it's just cleanly wired directly between the two. And then this is the connector for the steering wheel controls. So this will go directly into the Maestro SW unit. This connection is the connection, it's a service connector for if you're setting the clock. So you route this to the glove compartment or somewhere where you can get to it to plug in the original head unit to set the clock, and then you can disconnect it when you're not using it. If you go onto autoharnesshouse.com/mycar and fill in your vehicle information, then we'll be able to provide you with the correct AXXESS module, and also give you a link to a plug-and-play adapter that you'll need. If you want us to do something like this, we can put it together for you. We've curated a lot of information on autoharnesshouse.com/mycar so that you can see exactly what you're going to need, and our engineers have looked at it and made sure that it's accurate, since a lot of times the manufacturer's compatibility information is not the best for some of these parts. Hope that helps. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.